Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning airplane mode on and off on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. Tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then at the top of the page to the right of airplane mode, tap the toggle to turn airplane mode on and off. You can see when airplane mode is on by the little plane icon in the top right corner of the Kindle screen. You can also quickly turn airplane mode on and off in the Kindle Quick panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick panel. Then tap the plane icon to quickly turn airplane mode on and off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.